today let's understand what emotional freedom technique is. EFT tapping is a technique which helps you regulate your emotions. As the name says, emotional freedom technique. You may have encountered that there are certain emotions that stay stuck in you for so long, right? For example, someone said something bad to you. You most likely are going to remember it. Some sad or a bad incident happened in your past. It plays in your mind. Someone said that you're worthless. That's definitely hurtful, right? Or something bad happened at your job during the day. So certain negative emotions stay with us for a very long time. And the same happens for positive emotion. You got a promotion, that energy and that emotion is going to stay with you, right? So we may forget the day-to-day instances, the small ones, but we tend to remember the bigger issues and the bigger emotions, right? And since we still feel those emotions around something negative that happened, somewhere deep within those emotions are keeping us stuck. When you hold on that emotion of unworthiness, undeservingness, low self-belief, your childhood memories which are not good, even today, if you want to take action, it will look very difficult, You'll struggle. Every time that past memory will come flashing back. Every time what someone else said will start running in your head and it will stop you from taking action. This is where EFT tapping, which is emotional freedom technique, comes into play, which helps you remove these emotions which are keeping you stuck, so that finally, when that low self-worth is gone, you start blossoming better. When that low self-belief is gone, you start taking better action. When that past unsupportive childhood conditioning is removed, you start thinking better and you start looking forward to life. And eventually, when you are able to release all of those stuck emotions, your life starts moving forward in a more smoother and a clearer manner. This, my friend, is what EFT tapping does to you. I hope you enjoyed this one and liked the concept of EFT tapping. I'll keep coming to you with how EFT helps you with particular emotions in my upcoming videos. I hope you liked this one and you got a basic understanding of emotional freedom technique. Using the same technique, I've been able to work with, as on date, more than 10,000 individuals, and I've helped them release their stuck emotions and move forward in their life. If you liked what you just heard from me, do subscribe to my channel, because in my future videos, I'll keep explaining more about how emotional freedom technique works on specific money related issues. I'll see you in the next one.